Hi everyone, Ithute here from Lucigarats with another video. This video is dedicated to my two little boys who are currently fart obsessed. I will I will try and keep my composure while we talk about food. I know that's an interesting segue, but we're going to talk about food, eating it, chewing it, swallowing it, farting, burping, all that sort of stuff, in teaching you a vocabulary to describe all that in Setswana. Let's get started. So the one thing is the questions about food. Is food ready? Dijo di siame. Is food ready? I hear that. Mom, is food ready? Dijo di siame. Dijo di siame. Hosiyama means it's good, which is why you say goodbye. Hosiyame means it's good. So you're asking, dijo di siame, which means, is the food ready? Is the food good for me to come and eat it? Dijo di budule, is the food cooked? Is it like cooked through like you expect? All this they're saying, ketwere ketlala means I'm hungry. Ketwere ketlala. Ketwere ketlala. Ketwere ketlala. Twara is to grab or to hold. So if you have a visual picture, it's like tlala is this thing called hunger and it's holding someone. Ketwere ketlala. Ketwere ketlala. And then they might, you might ask, kekopa untulele. Kekopa untulele means, can you serve or dish food onto my plate, please? Can you serve me, please? Can you put food on my plate, please? Kekopa untulele. Now, the food might be too hot. Dijo di bolelo. So, dijo di bolelo means the food is hot. So, you might ask, adi fodile, which means, have they cooled down? Fola is to cool down. Dijo di fodile. Have they cooled down enough for my little people to eat it? And then you sit at the table and you're like, I am eating. I am eating. Gyaja. Gyaja means you're eating. Tshotlha. I'm chewing. Tshotlha. Tshotlha. I am swallowing. Meditse. Meditse. Meditse is to swallow. Gyanwa. I am drinking. Gyanwa, I am drinking. Gyanwa senotididi means I am drinking cool drink, cold drink, fizzy drink, cold drink, cool drink. Senotididi. Seno is something that you drink. Tididi is cold. Gyanwa senotididi. Gyanwa medzi means I'm drinking water. Then after all that choking, which is chewing, meeting, which is the swallowing, and eating, you will finish your food. Meditse hoja. I have finished eating. Meditse hoja. I have finished eating. And you might also describe your state of being. Gekoti. Gekoti means I am full. Kepashasha. Gekoti. Gekoti means I am full. Gejele, if someone comes and you're like, have you eaten? Yeah, emma gejele. Have you had something to eat? Emma gejele. Gejele means I have eaten. I have eaten. Emma gejele. And, in that context, thank you. Gyaleboch. Thank you. Gyaleboch. Dijo dine dile monate. That means the food was chef's kiss. They were delicious. Dijo dine dile monate means the food was nice. Dijo di monate is like while you're eating, you're like, oh, this food is nice. Dijo di monate. Dijotse, this food is nice that you're eating. Dijotse di monate means this food is nice. Dijo dile monate is when you're telling someone later, ooh, she killed it. Dijo dine dile monate means the food was delicious. You might also comment that the food wasn't so The food was not nice. Dijo dine disimonati means it could have been better. Dijo dine disimonati or dijote when you're eating it. Harimonati. This food is not nice. Harimonati. But you would think that dijo dimonati most of the time because you make an effort to make delicious food. And then after you've eaten, you burp. This is my son's favorite, the burping, kobola, which is kind of literally like a scratch. I don't know how scratching relates to burping, but yes, to burp is kobola. And then to fart, that's the polite way to say you have passed wind. You have passed wind. Wind is moa or pay for. You've passed that. That's the polite word. But hupinya is to pass wind like a fart. That is not polite at all. Is when you let it rip. Hupinya. And so it's cheeky that I dedicate this video to my kids, but we're at the fart stage. Everyone wants to talk about their farts. And I hope you learned some vocabulary. Until next time, bye.